for me, it's a good experience because I had through this platform a lot of good, prospecting, so that we can now next step reach out to them and see how we can shake hands and work together. This is my first time I'm attending an event, and I see a good output because I've got a good number of contacts, good amount of connection happened with the right prospect, with the right use case. So I think overall, if I rate from 0 to 10, I would say it's excellent, which falls to number 8, because most of the people I spoke to are totally relevant to us, except the regional use cases. So answer to your question, it's excellent, and I would give 8 rating. Yeah. One-to-one meeting was really nice because, as I was just mentioning in the first point, that the good thing about one-to-one meeting was it was a good use case. We can connect, we can understand what the requirements have, what solution we had to offer. So yes, the one-on-one meeting actually helped us to build that trust between those prospects, and I'm sure that I'll be closing good amount of deals with this one-on-one. Yeah.